Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Finding the average value of a square root function on an interval is simple if you follow these quick steps to get the right answer. Start by setting up the average value formula, which is 1 over the interval length times the integral from 0 to t of the square root of x with respect to x. Next, we find the antiderivative of x to the 1/2 power, which is 2/3 times x to the 3/2 power evaluated from 0 to our upper limit of t. Finally, divide by t and simplify to get 2/3 times the square root of t. Option C is the final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid mistakes, trust formulas, and check steps to ensure your math is correct.